Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the AudioWow tuning interface. So let's go! Here is the display bar of the connected AudioWow. When only one is connected, WOW 1 is displayed. When two devices are connected, the TRRS mode, WOW 2 will also be displayed. Click to set their parameters separately. The music slider controls the volume of the BGM during recording, which is also controlled by the volume keys of the mobile phone. Note that the mixing function below needs to be turned on to take effect. When the mixer is turned on, you can turn on the music player on your phone while recording, and the played music will directly mix into the recording. If you turn off this function, you can also play music during recording, but it will not be mixed. When switched on, the vocals in the BGM will be eliminated, allowing karaoke or similar functions. The principle of vocal removal is to erase the frequency range of common human voices. Because the vocal frequency of each song is different, sometimes vocals can be completely eliminated, sometimes not, and sometimes the music in the vocal frequency range will also be eliminated. You can wear headphones to monitor the volume changes. The WOW mic is turned on by default and the external mic cannot be turned on. When an external mic is inserted, the external mic is turned on and the WOW mic is turned off, but you can manually turn on the WOW mic, turn off the external mic, or turn on both at the same time. At least one mic will be turned on and both cannot be turned off together. 3.5mm TRRS microphones can be identified, and headsets with microphones will also be identified as external mics. 3.5mm TRRS cable microphones are not recognizable and must be used with SmartMike microphone adapters. 3.5mm TRRS cable headsets can be identified for monitoring, but will not be recognized as an external mic. Because the AudioWow microphone is omnidirectional and has a high sensitivity, it is easy to record ambient noise. It is recommended to use at least one level of noise reduction. If you want to completely turn off noise reduction and need to record ambient noise, ASMR, etc., it's recommended to adjust the mic volume slider to a moderately low level. Effects include original voice, male voice, female voice, baby voice, electronic voice, robot voice. The noise reduction and reverb functions can be turned on at the same time. There may be noise when the voice changer is turned on in some environments. Please manually adjust the noise reduction, reverb, and equalizer to try to optimize. Swipe left to enter the microphone EQ panel, and swipe right to enter the headphone EQ panel. We can see that both use 5-band EQ faders, but the corresponding frequency values of each fader of the microphone and headset are different. You can manually adjust and monitor the effect, or click the 5 presets at the bottom. The overall adjustment principle is, if you want the sound to be deeper, raise the low frequency. If you want the human voice to be more solid and protruding, raise the middle frequencies. If you want to sing the treble more easily, raise the high frequency. You can click the reset button to revert to the default EQ settings. By default, the main interface of tuning is shown. Now you know how to use the AudioWow tuning interface. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact support@sabinetech.com. Thanks for watching.